We are going to start the session now. First of all, a warm welcome to all of you. Yeah, so like I said, the way I teach is like one is firstly it's hands-on, and also I try to make it fun. And how we will do that, I'll come to that. That's like a surprise thing. Let's directly jump into the agenda for today. And so we'll do this introduction for like next few minutes, maybe 5-7 minutes, and then jump directly onto Excel. So most of you, as you would be aware, today we are doing like certain basic functions, and tomorrow we'll be covering an advanced topic, which is pivot tables. And so we'll come to that once I share the worksheet, right? And most of you, I think, since you are aware of, you're joining a class to learn Excel. I'm sure many of you are using Excel already, and you know why it is like one of the most popular data analysis tools, right? Obviously, it's very, very simple tool to use, and it's one of the best tools to do data analysis. It is, you don't need to learn programming and all, like sometimes Python and all is a good tool to do data analysis, but then you need to learn programming. In this case, you don't need any kind of programming. And obviously, it increases your value in the job market, because once you learn Excel, you can, do a lot of data analysis. You find new insights from the data. You propose new ideas and solutions to your boss. Obviously, they will like your inputs, right? Also, you present it using nice charts and dashboards that impresses your colleagues and your superiors, right? It also obviously opens up new career options. Nowadays, like data science is one of the hottest career options that people have. And a lot of it actually starts from cleaning data, which happens in Excel. A lot of it happens in Excel. Also, digital marketing, finance, all these are obviously very, very data oriented. And if you know Excel, it makes your life very easy. And many people have this misconception that it is only useful for office work. But no, actually, once you learn Excel, you will probably end up doing the work on Excel. You will use it on your day-to-day work as well. So I use it for tracking my expenses. Sometimes I find out like where to save money, where to make investment decisions, and even to make my to-do list or some plans. So effectively, like Excel is not just a business skill anymore. It's such a basic tool, important tool, that it has become a life skill for us.